So we have probability of success. So what is the question? First you understand this. We will have 3 attempts. So we will take out 2 balls on one attempt, 2 balls on second attempt, 2 balls on third attempts. So in first attempt, if we want to have success, first ball will come out to be 2 by 5 and second ball will come out to be 3 by 4. So which is what? 3 by 10. So if we have note success, it will be 1 minus 3 by 10, which is 7 by 10. Now we are told that it is, we will consider this P, this equals to Q. So P plus Q to the power 3. This is what we are told. So we should have, so then write the probability of distribution success. Okay. So probability distribution success is what? 3C0. 3C0 meaning we win every time. So it is PQ. We will win one time. P square. We will win 2 times. P1. And we will not win is not a success rate. Is it so? Not winning. So we require only success one. So 3C0 is 1. P cube is 3 by 10. So if it is, it will be Q, it will come out to be Q square. 3 by 10 whole cube plus 3. P is 3 by 10 whole square plus into 7 by 10 plus 3. 3 by 10, 7 square by 100. So we get that it is 1000 coming in every base, and we have 27 plus 27 into 7 plus 9 into 7 square. So this will come out to be 1. So this is probability distribution. So we have to make this table, column, this is X and this is Px. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So the value will come out to be 3C0 and 7 by 10 whole cube. So this is 1000. 7 cube is what? 363. 343. 343. 1. 1 is what? 1 lose. So 1 lose is 3 into 9 by 10, 9 into 49. So this is the value. 9 into 49 upon 1000. 2 times. It is 27 into 7 upon 1000. 3 times. 27 upon 1000. So this is the probability distribution of success.